In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a passive income stream, even if you don't have anything to sell. Hey there, my name is Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a passive income stream, even if you don't have anything to sell. That's right, whether you're just starting out or you've been selling online for years, there's a good chance that you can benefit from this strategy. So stay tuned and I'll reveal all the details in just a few minutes. Learn how to make $1 million without any products of your own. Get help from a 7-figure marketer to create a successful funnel. Start an online business with little effort. Make more money than you ever thought possible. Learn how to make money without any products of your own. Get help from a 7-figure marketer. Make more money than you ever thought possible. At first, making money online with ClickBank can seem like a daunting task, competing with thousands of other affiliates. But with the help of this program, you can start earning passive income from ClickBank without any experience or knowledge. This program utilizes advanced techniques and strategies to outsource all aspects of affiliate marketing, allowing you to sit back and relax while your affiliate campaigns generate revenue for you. So if you are looking to make money from ClickBank easily and quickly, try using this program today. With it, you won't need to write content or create a website or send any emails. Everything is taken care of for you so that you can focus on earning passive income from your affiliate marketing efforts. Start using this program now and start seeing results. If you want to make money online with little effort, this is the program for you. With ClickBank, you can learn how to make money without any products of your own. And best of all, you can get help from a 7-figure marketer. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start earning passive income from ClickBank. Click the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.